upon a time, in a kingdom where stars danced across the skies and rainbows painted the valleys, there lived a charming little princess named Barbie. With her golden hair, sparkling blue eyes, and a heart full of kindness, Little Barbie Princess was loved by everyone in the kingdom. Her favorite thing was exploring the magical lands that surrounded her castle, each filled with colors, wonders, and delightful surprises. One bright and sunny morning, Little Barbie Princess woke up feeling especially excited. She had received a mysterious letter from her dear friend, Star the Unicorn, who guarded the magical forest at the edge of the kingdom. The letter was written on glittering pink paper, with words that seemed to twinkle as she read. Dear Princess Barbie, the colors of our land are starting to fade, and the stars are losing their sparkle. Something magical awaits you beyond the rainbow falls. Only someone with a heart as bright as yours can save our colors. I'll be waiting for you at the beginning of the rainbow path. Yours, Star the Unicorn. Barbie's heart raced with excitement and a little worry. The kingdom's colors fading. Oh, that cannot be, she whispered, gazing out her window at the lush hills, where the trees were already looking a little duller. Without wasting a moment, Little Barbie Princess dressed in her special adventure gown, a sparkling rainbow dress with shimmering sequins that caught the light. She placed a silver tiara on her head, which glistened with tiny stars, and slipped on her magical shoes, known to light up whenever they touched something special. She grabbed her tiny adventure bag, filled it with delicious treats, a small lantern, and her enchanted map, and set off to meet Star. As she reached the rainbow path, a breathtaking sight welcomed her. Star the Unicorn stood there, her manner flowing in shades of lavender, blue, and pink. Her horns sparkled like a diamond, and her wings shone like silk in the sun. Hello, Star! Barbie greeted with a joyful smile. Princess Barbie, thank you for coming. Star's voice was gentle and filled with relief. Beyond Rainbow Falls lies the land of colors, where the brightest and most beautiful colors of our kingdom are created. But something strange is happening there. We need to restore the colors before they're gone forever. Barbie nodded bravely. Lead the way, Star. Let's make our world sparkle again. Together, they set off on the rainbow path, which shimmered with every color under the sun. As they approached Rainbow Falls, they heard the sound of rushing water, sparkling as it cascaded down in vibrant streams of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Barbie gasped in awe at the sight. Just beyond the falls was a swirling portal, glittering with tiny stars. Barbie and Star stepped through it, and as they did, they were transported to the land of colors. Here, everything was brighter and more vivid than anything Barbie had ever seen. The trees glowed in emerald green, the rivers sparkled with golden hues, and the flowers were painted with every shade imaginable. But as they walked further, they noticed patches of grey starting to creep in, where colors seemed to fade. Suddenly, a tiny creature with wings like stained glass appeared before them. It was Twinkle, the Rainbow Fairy, and she looked worried. Princess Barbie, Star. Oh, thank goodness you're here, she squeaked. Our colors are fading because the Jewel of Radiance has lost its glow. It's what brings light and color to this land, but it has grown weak. Barbie's eyes sparkled with determination. We must find the Jewel of Radiance and bring back its light. Twinkle nodded and pointed towards the glittering forest. The jewel lies deep within the crystal caverns, but beware! Only those with a pure heart and brave spirit can pass through the challenges of the glittering forest. Barbie took a deep breath, feeling a surge of courage. I am ready, Twinkle. Lead us to the glittering forest. The glittering forest was a wondrous place. Trees with silver bark stretched high above, and their leaves sparkled as though dusted with gold. But as they ventured further, the path became trickier. Barbie noticed that her magical shoes would glow brighter when she stepped in the right direction. She followed the light, and it guided her through the dense trees and shimmering bushes. At one point, they encountered a swirling mist, hiding the path. Star the unicorn whispered, "Only kindness can clear the way." Barbie thought for a moment, then gently blew a kiss into the mist, thinking of all the kindness she wanted to share. To her delight, the mist parted, revealing a clear path forward. They continued until they reached a grand archway made entirely of rainbow crystals. Beyond it lay the entrance to the crystal caverns, sparkling with 1,000 colors. Inside, they found the Jewel of Radiance, a massive, glowing gemstone that looked like it was carved from pure light. But something was wrong. It was surrounded by shadows, its glow flickering weakly. Just then, an ancient spirit appeared, the guardian of colors. He was tall and wise-looking, with robes that shimmered like twilight. To restore the jewel's glow, you must pass the test of true colors, he said. Only one with a heart that radiates kindness, courage, and hope can bring back the light. Barbie took a step forward, her heart steady. I'm ready, Guardian. The first test was of kindness. A small bird with a broken wing appeared before her. Barbie gently picked it up, whispering soft words of comfort, and wrapped it in her scarf. A soft glow appeared around her, and the jewel's light grew a bit stronger. The second test was of courage. Barbie was faced with a high wall of swirling colors she couldn't see beyond. But she took a deep breath, trusting her heart, and stepped forward. She passed through the wall, unharmed, and saw the jewel glowing even brighter. Finally, the test of hope appeared. Barbie had to face a vision of a colorless kingdom, where everything was dull and gray. But she held on to the hope in her heart, believing in the beauty of colors. She closed her eyes and imagined a world filled with light and color. As she did, a brilliant rainbow appeared in the vision, and the Jewel of Radiance burst into full, dazzling light. The shadows around it vanished, and the jewel shone like a miniature sun, filling the caverns and the entire land of colors with a radiant, colorful glow. The fading colors returned, brighter than ever, and the kingdom felt alive once again. The guardian smiled, his voice warm with gratitude. Little Barbie Princess, you have restored our colors with your pure heart. The land of colors will forever remember your bravery and kindness. As Barbie and Star made their way back through the Rainbow Falls, they saw the world in a new light. Every tree, flower, and river sparkled brighter than before. Barbie's kingdom was now full of colors that glowed with warmth and joy. When they reached the castle, the people cheered and celebrated her return, and Little Barbie Princess was known far and wide as the princess who brought colors back to life. From that day on, Barbie often visited the land of colors, making sure its brightness never faded. She learned that kindness, courage, and hope could bring light to any shadow, and that was a lesson she carried with her forever. And so, the sparkling, bright, and colorful adventure of Little Barbie Princess became a tale told for generations, reminding everyone that true beauty shines from the heart.